You got a bot. Model MT0D12. Called the Flathead.
And? The hell you care?
Guy I represent already paid Brick for it. I'm just here for the pickup. I can talk direct to Royce if necessary.
Nah, you talk to me. Name's Dum Dum. Now couch, planet. Well, shit. Goes for you too.
I'll stand.
This so fucking hard? Fucking ass on the fucking couch!
Make me.
Thought you'd never ask. Sit your ass down for a planet bullet in your skull.
Jesus, Jack, what gives?
Primerito, I don't like this guy's tone. Segundo, sitting on your ass makes you an easy target.
Sit your ass down for a planet bullet in your skull.
Jack, sit down.
This ain't gonna end well, but... shit.
Well, all right. Come on, not lighten up. Take a hit.
Thanks, I'm good.
Whatever you say, straight-edged princess. Here we go. The Flathead. Model MT0D12.
Need to see it.
Sue yourself. Fucking tricked out this thing. Dynamic thermo-optic camo armor. Full cognitive immersion with a Raven controller. Pinned down prototype actuators made of titanium, vanadium, Kevlar composite. And watch this! Fully integrated link too, so when the spider starts crawling up walls dangling from ceilings.
Could lose your lunch.
So what you think?
Yep, we'll take it.
Free. Sure. Yeah. Let's see your cred.
Brick got it. It's all paid up.
Brick got it. I don't see any fucking brick around here, do you? You fucking dick!
Come on. Can't expect me to pay for this thing twice.
And who the fuck are you to say what can and can't be? You'll pay twice because I say you'll pay twice. Alright. You want the Flathead? I better see some eddies. I'm talking to you! I'm talking to you!
Relax. Got him right here.
Just like that! Without batting a fucking eye!
I hand over the chip, you hand over the body. Clean and easy. No complications.
Look at this fucking Boy Scout! You know all your nods? Got all your badges? You know, you never did say who sent you. Never did say who you're working for.
Dexter Deshawn. That's who.
Dexter Deshawn. The lord ass who punching animal fucked half of Pacifica? And he ain't dead?
No, he's alive, well, and kicking. He sends his regards.
So you gonna consider my offer now? Cred's on this.
Hey, Flathead's good gear. It'll do the trick for you, whatever the trick is.
Shit! Shit! They're breaking in! Zero! Fucking bastard!
Watch out for them! Fuerte, cabrón! Cut off.
Virus must have tripped a security protocol.
Grab the gear. Bot and control shot. Quick!
Got the set. Bot and controller.
Then let's go. Quicker the better. Get out of here. Dying for some fresh air.
It's a production line. Plus, I thought you loved me.
Really no other way. party.
Let's have a... Get out of here alive! Drag this out! I'll deal with a foot stick! Nice of you to show. Was starting to get bored. Caught me a rat!
Nade in the air!
Some fun!
Stay out of their way! Unlock now! Point for you! Nice shot! Get him off me!
Now here I come!
Not far now, I see. Exit's closed.
There's no link! Gonna cook your corn!
Shut your trap! I'm ready! Let me at him!
Now where you hiding?
No, I blowed a shark! Fry you up! to smash your pretty face! Not bad! Not bad! No, I'm going to start! Die, maggot!
We're coming for you!
Try harder, bitches! Start saving for a new one! Gonna have to try harder, bitches!
Deacon, you will find, cabrones!
We're barely breathing! Go!
Almost got me!
No, I'm blowing a shark! Shame to smash a pretty face! Come on, again! Again! Start saving for a new head! Die, maggot! No, I'm going to start! Think that's enough to drop me? Again! Again! Oh, you're gonna love this!
Steady now! We got this, B!
Start saving for a new head! Burn you to cinders! To smash a brick! Not bad! Not bad!
Look around! Give up the ass!
Die, maggot! Die, maggot! Not bad! Not bad!
Careful, B! They got you!
Shame to smash your pretty face! No, I'm blown a shot! Oh, what? It ain't going your way, you cunt! Burn you to cinders! Start saving for a new head!
You know who you're messing with? Get out of here.
Didn't expect to see me here. You know, I like the way you operate. Maybe you'd do some more work for us.
You screwed me on this, almost got me killed. That wasn't financial, Tracer.
I fucked you over, you fucked the gang over. Somewhere at the start of the story, somebody fucked the Corp. See how this works now? Ultimately, the Corp gets what it wants. Remember that. Learn it. Maybe a couple years down the line, you'll be standing where I am. Secure the area.
Time we were on our way. Holy shit, V. I wasn't sure we'd walk out in one piece.
Think we're done. That's it.
Yeah, I had enough for one day, let me tell you. Hey, let Dex know we got his toy for him. And Fatso ought to crack open a bottle for us after what we did for him today. Ahí luego, V.
How things looking, Mr. V?
Got the bot.
And how'd it go? Run into any trouble? And what about the Militech angle?
Sure, of course there was trouble. Royce couldn't have given two shits that you and Brick had shaken on.
How'd you get him on board? You used the corpo woman?
Met with Stout, managed to strike a deal.
Well, well.
Gave me the chip with the scratch from Maelstrom. One thing Stout forgot to mention. Chip was carrying a virus.
Oldest corpo trick in the book. I assume Royce was less than understanding.
Virus attacked their systems, scorched a handful of Maelstromers. I took care of the rest.
You got some balls, Mr. V. What about the meet with Evelyn Parker?
Still on the to-do list.
Mm-hmm. That meet's the only thing that'll get you a chance at grabbing that chip. Parker'll be waiting for you at Lizzie's bar. Good luck.